In this video, I will show you how to stop Adobe After Effects from lagging. Before jumping into After Effects, it's essential to ensure that no unnecessary applications are running in the background. If you have Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or Acrobat open, close them along with any other applications you aren't using. This step is crucial because having multiple programs open can consume valuable system resources and lead to lag in After Effects. Now that the distractions are out of the way, go ahead and launch Adobe After Effects. Click on Edit in the top menu bar. Hover over Preferences and select Media and Disk Cache. Here, click on Empty Disk Cache. Make sure to check the box for Clear Disk Cache for all versions before clicking OK. This step clears out any accumulated cache files that might be slowing down your application. Next up, click on Clean Database and Cache. Confirm by clicking OK again. This ensures that any outdated or corrupted data is removed from your setup. After completing these steps, check if the lag persists while working in After Effects. If everything runs smoothly now, great, but if there's still some lag present, don't worry, there are more adjustments to make. Return to Edit in the menu bar again and hover over Preferences. This time select Display. Locate the checkbox next to Hardware Accelerate Composition, Layer, and Footage panels. Uncheck this option. Disabling hardware acceleration can often help improve performance on systems struggling with resource allocation. Now let's enhance our preview settings. On the left side panel options within Preferences, click on Previews. In this section, find both zoom quality and color management quality, then set both options to faster. This adjustment will reduce rendering times during previews without sacrificing too much quality. Once these changes are made, go ahead and close Adobe After Effects completely before reopening it again. This restart helps ensure that all new settings take effect properly. And there you have it. With just a few simple tweaks in Preferences and clearing out unnecessary files, lagging issues in Adobe After Effects can be significantly reduced or even eliminated entirely. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.